Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a watercolor method. I'm going to be dyeing this 613 hair in like a reverse ombre. First, I'm going to tone the hair with, I think, T14. That's like a pale blonde, a beige blonde. And this hair is from West Kiss. And I'm just going to show you exactly how I do that. I don't really think that I need to tell you guys how to do it because it's pretty much explanatory. But this is a 13 by 4 613 wig, and I believe it was 14 inches, and I didn't cut it. So in this clip, I already toned the hair, so I'm just showing you how the hair looks blow dried. So it's not like that yellow blonde anymore. It's like a nice pale blonde. I'm going to be using 3 colors: honey brown, dark warm brown, and darkest brown, and I'm just going to be using that to color the hair to do the ombre. So I'm just going to be going from light to dark. I'm going to be doing the lightest color to the darkest color. Purchase your track today. So here I'm just taking a piece of the hair to see how dark the color is, and I'm just going to keep on adding until I get the color of my liking. Purchase your tracks today.
Dial on 106. Dial on 106.
Ooh, rude boy ting. Purchase your track today. Purchase your track today. Purchase your tracks today.
106.
Ooh, rude boy ting. Purchase your track today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your track today. Purchase your tracks today.
Dial on 106.
Ooh, rude boy ting.
And this is the finished look. I ended up cutting some layers and curling it, and this is how she looks. I honestly couldn't wait to wear this wig. I didn't end up wearing it, so that's why you guys didn't see me installing it. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so anytime your girl Chae posts something, you could be notified and see what's popping.